In this tutorial, we will see how to create a slicer. Slicer is created either on a pivot table or on a normal table. So now first I am selecting my data and then I am creating a pivot table by using the shortcut key Alt D and P. Once the dialog box appeared, I have clicked on finish so that my pivot table is created. For removing the grid lines, I am using the shortcut Alt W V and G. So now I have selecting the data which I want to showcase in the pivot table. So I have left age, date, range and quantity, and I'm closing the pivot table field. Now my pivot table is created, but which is not in a presentable manner. So I'm going to the design, subtotals, do not show subtotals, report layout, show in tabular form, and then repeat all items. Now my pivot table is created. Thank you friends for supporting me by watching the Excel videos from your favorite channel Excel World by Raghav. If you have not subscribed the channel, please do subscribe and watch more videos from basics to advanced automation. I have placed my cursor in one of the cell and I have clicked on insert and I am now in the slicer. First I would like to apply the slicer on region. Then I'll click OK. A new dialog box appeared with the region. Then I'm creating another slicer. Based on employee name. So again I'll go to the insert tab, click on slicer, then employee name. It's not only that, you can create one by one. You can even create multiple slices. So now as an example, I'm showing how to create a multiple slicer. I'm deleting the slices. So again I'll go to the insert tab just by selecting only one cell, insert slicer. I'm selecting region, department, employee name. Friends, observe whenever I'm trying to create a slicer, the data which I am not considered for creating the pivot table are also appearing. That is nothing but the data which is hidden or which is a part of pivot table is also considered in slicers. So based on these three, I'm creating slicer. You can see with one single selection I got multiple slicers. I can even minimize my slicer. For that, just click on top and you can adjust your width as per your requirement. Now friends, observe I have from column A to E I have the pivot, and from column G till column P I have slicers. Of course these are specifically not in the particular column. I can move it anywhere. Slicers are handy. So assume friends, if I want to check only the sales of East, so I have to click in pivot, then again on east. But whereas if I have the slicer, I can simply click on east so that the data of east will be selected with all the other details. Assume if I'm clicking on west, the west is been highlighted or the west row is selected in pivot table and the department and the name of the employee. You can see here friends, it's getting highlighted. And assume if you want to select the department, you can simply click on finance so that wherever the finance is there, it gets auto filtered in the pivot table as well as in slicers. Likewise, if you want even on the employee name, say Prakash. Prakash is having in east, north and south region and is handling the department production. Say for Sridhar is in east, north and south with marketing. Likewise for Rama. Rama is having in east, north, south and west and finance department. Likewise, you can create n number of slicers and these slicers are very handy and helpful while taking the decision and as well as for presenting to the managerial level. Hope you liked my video friends.